Hello, you're welcome. Today we are discussing calculation of EDD, which is the expected date of delivery. We are saying estimated date of delivery. Remember, this is just an estimation. So when this calculation has been done, it's just an estimation as to when the person will deliver, when the mother will deliver. All right. So there are some things that you need to take note of, or some things that you need to know before calculating the expected date of delivery. Okay, so number one, you need to know the date of the last menstrual period. Okay, number two, you need to add 7 days to the date. Number three, you need to subtract 3 months from the month. That is if the month is after March. Okay, then number four, you need to add 9 months if the month is before April. Then number five, you need to add 1 year if the month is after March. Alright, so here is an example. Okay, so this person had an LMP of 2 February 2022. Okay, so now February is the second month of the year. Okay, so we'll write 2, which is the date, and the month we'll write it in figure, which is 2, and the year 2022. So like we had said, we'll add 7 to the date, so it will be 2 plus 7. Then we'll add 9 to the month, which is be 2 plus 9. On the year, we won't add anything, but I've just written the 0 just to hold the place value. Okay, so now when we add 2 plus 7, it's going to give us 9. When we add 2 plus 9, it's going to give us 11. And when we add 22 plus 0, it's going to give us 22. So meaning our expected date of delivery will be 9 November 2022. Okay, here's another example, the second example. This one has an LMP of 25 February 2022. Okay, so we are going to add 7 to the date, going to add 9 to the month, and we're going to add 0 to the year. Okay, of which if we add 25 plus 7, it will give us 32. 2 plus 9, it will give us 11. And 22 plus 0, it will give us 22. Okay, now there is no month which ends with which has 32 days. Okay, so we are going to subtract 30. So it will be 32 minus 30. Okay, remember November ends with 30 days. So we're going to subtract 30. So these 30 days, they are equivalent to 1 month. Okay, so it will mean that we've subtracted 1 month. So what will remain will be 2. Okay, so now this 1 month that we've subtracted from the date, we'll add it to the number of months which is there. So which means in November we'll add 1 month, so it will be 12. So it will be 11 plus 1, it will give us 12. Then on the number of days, the difference which is there, 32 minus 30 to give us 2, that's a date. So it will be 2 December 2022. That will be our estimated date of delivery. I hope it's clear. Okay, we have another example. The third example. So this one has an LMP of 6 June 2022. Okay, so remember June is the 6th month of the year. So say 6 plus 7 days. We are going to add 7 the days. Then on the month we are going to subtract 3. Then on the year we are going to add 1. Okay, remember I said you subtract 3 from the month if the month is after March, and you add 1 year if the month is after March. Okay, so this is June, which is after March. Okay, so we are going to say 6 plus 7 is going to give us 13. 6 minus 3 is going to give us 3. 22 plus 1 is going to give us 23. So our expected date of delivery will be 13 March 2023. Okay, or we can also use this formula: 6 June 2022. So on the number of days, we'll add 7. Okay, on the number of months, we'll add 9. So when we add 7 plus 6, it will give us 13. So I mean our date will be 13. Then 6 plus 9, it will give us 15. But remember, there are only 12 months in a year. So we are going to subtract 15 minus 12. Okay, so 12 is equivalent to 1 year. So it will mean that we've subtracted 1 year. So that 1 year, we are going to add it to the year. So instead of 2022, it will be 2023, because that 1 year, when you add it 2022, it will be 2023. Then 15 minus 12, it will give us 3. And the date there will still remain 13. So our expected date of delivery will be 13 March 2023, which is the same as the one on top there. Alright, so now there's one exercise that I'll leave you with. Okay, someone has an LMP of 31 March 2022. What will be the EDD? Okay, so that's something that you need to practice. Okay, so there's something that you need to take note of, is that this channel is not a substitute of school and the hospital. So for today, that's all. Until next time, bye bye.